dropping knowledge on Grambo Bros.
You need to be, depending on what you're doing, you need to be very cognizant about what your water supply is when you're leaving. It's not like you just walk in and you're like, oh, I got water. And then all of a sudden you're like, holy shit, I'm out of water. What are we going to do? That's a bad spot to be in, especially if you're running RO or something like that. So you really want to be cognizant of your water supply. If you have a tank, if you have whatever, change your filters, check all those things. All that stuff is super important, but you really want to do your best to make sure that water temperature is as close to 68 degrees as possible, because then you're not going to piss your plant off. I had a buddy of mine who hit me up a couple weeks ago, and he's like, his plants look like garbage. And I started asking him, what happened? What was the temperature of the water? And he's like, oh, the guys the other day hit him with 45-degree water. And I was like, yeah, well, that's going to be a problem, guy. Imagine me, at least I've done cold plunges, so I'm familiar. But the first time you do a cold plunge and you go into 45 degrees, you're like, what the?
It literally sucks the air out of your lungs. It
takes your breath away. Have you done a cold plunge, Grambo?
Yeah, not like anything like proper, but yeah, I've dunked into cold ass water in the depths of Midwest winter.
You're like, I fell in a river once.
Yeah. No, it's literally the first time I went in, I realized, I was like, bro, this is how people die. Like, you fall into cold water when you're not expecting it, and you're deuced.
I mean, even if you are expecting it, it takes your breath away. It really does.
So Mailman, he always has great questions. In a not perfect world, would it be better to go a little bit lower or a little bit higher, do you think? Would you say 64 is better or worse, or 74 is better or worse?
I would say 64. I would say try not to get in that. Again, over 72, you're talking about fusarium, pythium, all these different root pathogens. So in that regards, there's a big difference between 64 and 55. Let's put it that way. And like I said,
I'll be honest. I mean, this is the first time I'm here. Why isn't more people talking about this? I have not heard anyone talking about not heating their water too high. I would have immediately thought about dissolved oxygen, but not pathogens.
No, 100. It's 100% a thing, dude. 100% a thing. If you do not, 72, I think, is really, again, they say 68 is the sweet spot. You're more than welcome to look it up. But,
I confer. Well, so that's the max dissolved oxygen, correct? And so 68 for sure is that place you want to be. But
the big thing is temperature that's going to keep pathogens from multiplying. That's really what we're talking about. Is that once you get to a certain temperature, all of a sudden gestation for all these different pathogens, that really is what kicks into high gear. And that's what you're trying to, then your shit goes from aerobic to anaerobic, and that's bad. That's like when you add heat and you come in and you smell your water and you're like, ooh, you always, I always tell people trust your nose, man, because you always know when shit is bad. You walk it, except for photosynthesis plus. That's the only thing that when it smells like death, you're like, this is good,
So this is an opportunity to take a little shout out for our fam. I say that I don't have a sponsor, but in a way, if I wasn't working with you guys, I wouldn't have the time to be able to do this podcast. So in a way, Jug Dealers. This is partially sponsored by the Jug Dealers. And the reason I think about that is that you'll always say that about things, like a question about the Carbonaria or the Ruby Fulvic. Use your nose. If you open up one of those bottles and it smells like kind of, nice wine, kind of sweet smell, then you're good to go. But if it smells like death and you know what that smells like, that's a great way. Don't use nutrients to smell that.
We're dropping knowledge on Grambo Bros.